please subscribe to our channel. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel will enable us to improve at a rapid rate, and also we want to be recognized by YouTube as the leading content creator in South Africa. By helping us, we will improve and produce the best content that makes you happy. 1.1.1c is a villi. A villi is a microscopic finger-like projection increasing surface area for absorption. 1.1.2d is a reticulum, also known as the hardware stomach, due to its ability to trap foreign objects. 1.1.3c. This is because anaerobic conditions, removal of waste products, and slightly acidic medium favor microbial activity. 1.1.4a. Oxygen. Oxygen is not a product of cellulose digestion, but methane and volatile fatty acids are produced, the ones we are looking for. 1.1.5d is 2, 3, and 4, nutrition, reproduction, and management that increase animal production in intensive farming. 1.1.6b is a plunge dip, is regarded as a method of dipping animals to control external parasites. 1.1.7d, grazing with other cattle, is a sign of a bull not in distress. 1.1.8, around it. So, a flight zone is the personal space around an animal. 1.1.9c, maintenance and production. Lactating dairy cows require both types of rations. 10a. The correct order of spermatozoa development starts with spermatogonium, then follows primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, and lastly is spermatids.